Last time on Danny Ray Lives, I was in Oklahoma City with my friend Shelby doing some fun things outside. Good morning, everybody. I am in the van this morning. Took Hollywood for his morning walk, which we normally do every morning. We do about a mile in the mornings. And now I'm cleaning up the van a little bit, making my bed, doing all that good stuff. And then I think today we are going to be chilling because Shelby works. And then tomorrow we're going to go to Tulsa. So finally I get to go to Tulsa for a week tomorrow. Pretty excited about it. I'm going to see all my Tulsa friends. So I'm pretty stoked about that. So I will keep you guys informed. But yeah, so far we're just chilling in Oklahoma still. Hollywood! There's a dog park! There's a dog park, buddy! He's just going to pee on every single tree. Yeah, there was one dog in here when I got in here, but not anymore. Cool though. Good morning, everybody. Today is, I think, Monday morning. We have some errands to run today, and then we are going to do a little pub crawl and go to a couple different bars. But right now I am making breakfast at Austin's house in a real kitchen, which I don't even mind cooking in a real kitchen because it's so much easier than my van. And Mr. Wood here is chilling out. He was outside in the backyard for a while, but he's hanging out now. And I'm gonna cook him and Shelby some breakfast this morning. We're making breakfast wraps, obviously, because that's my specialty. And then we're gonna go out and do some stuff. We're gonna do some stuff.
What's up, y'all?
So yeah. All right, we have started our pub crawl for the day, but we're starting it doing a little work first, hanging out, and got a little flight. I am working on uploading an episode with these people's internet. Hopefully that works out well. And then I'm also gonna start editing another episode. Shelby is doing office hours and working on some other stuff for school. And yeah, we're gonna start our little pub crawl. And Hollywood's with us too. Aren't you, Hollywood? You get to pub crawl with us today. He's being very good, so shh, we can't ruin it. You have to go on the patio. First brewery. What's the name of this brewery?
American Solera.
American Solera. We have to go transition to the patio though. All right, we're at our first brewery on our brewery tour. There's only 3 breweries on the list because the other 2 are closed. But I've got my beer. Shelby's got his. He's having a sour. I'm having like a pale ale, I think. Hollywood is being really good. He's being so good today. I don't know why. So we're having a movie night tonight, and we went to Walmart and got a bunch of snacks. And Hollywood and I are chilling on the couch. And there's one more couch. And big projector. Perfect for a movie night. And we got snacks. Popcorn. Shelby's making a drink. Oreos, chips, salsa, Star Crunch, Gushers. All right, we came to brunch at the Vault, which is like an old bank that they converted. And we finally got our food after a long wait. And we are enjoying it. I got eggs Benedict because I've been very into that lately. I've been doing poached eggs. That's a thing now for me. And it's pretty good. So after brunch, we came over to this little park that's on a little lake, because it's like a 30-minute drive to get to a lake around here. So we decided to buy some water today, and Maddie is going to get some studying done. So it's all the brunch people minus Austin. So we're gonna hang out. Got the dogs chilling. Taking Hollywood for a little walk right now, actually. Got the dogs chilling. Hollywood's being 88%, not at 100, but he'll get there. And yeah, so hanging out today. Good day to be outside.
Meet all my Oklahoma City friends.
Trigger. Hollywood, sit. Sit. Good boy. Trigger, sit. Good boy. Puppers. So we hang out for a while at the lake and then took Hollywood to a dog park so he would be nice and tired out for our night out. He's like, no, we're still gonna play. We went to an event my friend Joe was putting on before attending a campout where there were people spinning fire.
Okay, cheers. Cheers.
Hard for a video.
Why'd you leave it on? Why'd you take it? Wait, why'd you leave it on?
No, y'all took the table.
Where's your backpack, Shelby?
Fuck off.
After that week in Tulsa came and went, I drove all the way back to the East Coast to New York to see Josh again. Stay tuned next week. I'm in Mount Morris, New York with Josh, checking things out like Letchworth State Park and Hollywood Sees Snow for the very first time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Give this video a like for me. That helps me out with YouTube a lot. And I'll see you in the next one.